Hello friends, welcome to Igniter Max. At this video, we are going to clear with the concept of the relation and its function. What are the mapping? What is the domain, codomain? The one function, onto function, why its name as an injective, surgative, a club of the concept we are going to clear in just one clip of the video. Let's start to ignite it. So before moving to the topic of the relation and the function, we need to be clear with the concept of the domain, codomain, range. Okay, we'll just clear the concept one by one with the short of the example. The domain of a function is a set of all possible input for the function. Codomain is a set of a value that could possibly come out. Yes, and the range is a set of a value that actually do come out. Plus language, we can say that what can go into a function is called as a domain. What can possibly come out of the function is called as a codomain. Actually comes out of the function is called as a range. Start to ignite it. So the first concept is relation. What is this relation? A relation between a two set. We'll take a set A, set B. Yes, it's a collection of an order pair containing one object from each set. If the object X is from the first set and the object Y is from the second set, okay, second set is nothing but B and the first set is nothing but A, okay, then the object are said to be related if a order pair X comma Y is in the relation. Let's clear the concept with a suitable example. So the A set and B set is given in the question. We need to find the relation in which X comma Y belongs to the real. That is nothing but the order pair should belongs to the real, and the condition, the most important condition is X should be less than Y. Yes, in which we need to find the relation. The first example for the relation, it's nothing but 1 comma 4. So the X value is nothing but 1 and Y value is nothing but 4, in which X is less than Y, that is 1 is less than 4. So my first relation is 1 comma 4. Let's take the other example, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and 4 comma 5, in which each and every relation is occurred in which X is less than Y. So this is how we need to find the relation with the certain condition is given. Is a relation between a set of the input and the output, in which each input is related to exactly one output. Condition: let A and B be any two non-empty set. Mapping from A to B will be a function only when every element in a set A has one and only one image in set B. The second most condition is no element of A is related to more than one element of B. Let's revise in the quite simplest example. Okay, the set A, let's take it as the student completed with the 12th standard and searching for a degree option. So the one person at a time can choose one of the degrees. At the codomain, there is a list of the degree option, that is nothing but one is of medical, engineering, science, commerce. There is a list of the options are given. At the time, the student can choose one and only one degree. The rule is each and every student should choose any of the one degree option. In short, a function is a relationship which explains that there should be only one output for each input. To add these examples, we have came into a idea that two students can choose one degree but one student can't choose two degrees. So this is the best example to understand the function, which every element of A are related to some of the element in B. In short, every element in A should have image in set B. Should contain a unique image, a different image. Let's clear the concept with three different types of examples. So the first example, on the set A and on the set B, there is a certain elements are present. Yes, we need to identify whether it is a function or not. All the elements of the set A are related to some of the element in set B. It's nothing but all the elements of A are having images on the set B. So it is called as a function. type of example over here also the set A and set B are given, okay, and the D, okay, the set A, the D part is left over. According to the first condition, all the elements of A are related to some of the elements of B. It should have image in set B, but over here the set A, the D element doesn't have a image on the set B, so it is not called as a function. Okay, now let's take a third type of example. Over here also the set A and set B are given, and according to the second condition, element of A is related to more than one element of B. Yes, over here the A element on the set A is related to two element, that is nothing but 1 and 2. It should not be happen on the function, so the example 3 is not a function. I've gone through the three different types of example with three different types of solution. Still any queries, then don't forget to comment at the comment box. Okay, now we'll move to the types of the function, that is nothing but a 1 function, onto function, injective, surjective, with different types of example. So let's get started with it. Move to the 1 function. A function is 1 if any two different input in the domain correspond to two different input. Now onto function, there is no element in the codomain that does not have a pre-image. Is explained with the suitable example at the figure 1 and at the figure 2. Is a set of input. In another word we can say it's a set of a pre-image. A range is a set of a output, okay, and it's nothing but a set of images. Difference between the relation and its function. A relation is defined as a relationship between the set of the value. A function is defined as the relation in which there is only one output for each input. In short, every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. Over here we have came across the introduction between a relation and the function. We'll move more deeply like for the relation, like transitive relation, symmetric relation. For the function, what is the even function, odd function, periodic function, a complete concept. We'll make a separate video for that. Like, share, subscribe, comment and get more updates.